Want to grow your money without picking risky stocks? These 5 ETFs are what the smart money is watching in 2025, and the best part? You don't need to be a stock market expert to profit. Let's break it down. First up, we've got ARK Innovation ETF, or ARKK, Cathie Wood's flagship fund. It's focused on disruptive tech like AI, robotics, and genomics. After a rough year, it's showing signs of a comeback. With Nvidia and Tesla in its portfolio, this one could skyrocket with AI growth. Second is QQQ, the go-to ETF for tracking the Nasdaq 100. If you believe in the power of companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, this is your play. It's reliable, liquid, and tech-heavy, a must-watch for 2025. With rising global tensions, the SHLD ETF is gaining traction. It invests in cybersecurity, defense tech, and space innovation. As the world becomes more unstable, defense becomes profitable. Gold is still king during uncertainty. GDX gives you exposure to gold mining stocks. With inflation and recession fears, this ETF acts as a safety net and is already up in early 2025. For the thrill seekers, TQQQ offers 3x the returns of QQQ. But remember, it also carries 3x the risk. Best for short-term trades, not long-term holders. Timing is everything. ETFs combine safety with opportunity, but always do your research. Want to start investing today? Use the Binance and CoinDCX affiliate links in the description to earn sign-up bonuses and start your journey. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Trading Revelation for more smart investing content.